G'day guys, just James here, just doing a quick little video on the new Legendary Marketers ebook called Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. It was written by Dave Sharp, who's done nearly about 250 mil in sales online. This guy really knows his shit, to be honest. He really does drop some absolute golden nuggets in this book. It's about 90 pages full of strategies, methods, ways to get people to sign up without having to waste time on Facebook groups, selling to your family and friends and whatnot. He really teaches you how to attract the correct customers and buyers, people with actual money, without them saying that they're broke and shit like that, in order to come in and enroll in your business or purchase the product that you're actually selling. Now, this can work on any business in any niche. It really does give you the ability to lay the foundations that you've been always wanting or are looking to further implement into your business. So it's only $2, literally $2 or $1.99, and you can check out on the next page. And what he's actually done is also thrown a bonus 15-day business builder challenge. So what it is, it's 15 days of step-by-step training. You actually get a personal coach in this training as well, and he's thrown it in for free. So usually the value on this is sitting around nearly $1,000 on its own. So I would definitely jump on and get enrolled in the course, and also get on the phone call with your personal advisor, because what they do is they actually sit with you, go through what your goals are and what you're looking to plan, and they actually sit down with you and set out a business plan, which a lot of people actually fail to do. So jump on, guys. It's $2. It doesn't break the bank. If you're worried about spending $2 on your business, you probably shouldn't be doing it at all, to be honest. It's about investing yourself and having pride in what you're doing and what you've actually invested in the first place. So running an online business is ever evolving. It's always good to crack into different methods and ways and doing it and setting yourself apart. So yeah, jump on, check it out. The link's in the bottom of this video, and you can check it out. And I'm also going to throw in some actual sweet bonuses myself. I'm probably going to complement it, some traffic software, some the personal funnels that, like for example, this exact page that you're actually watching the video on, and whatnot. So you're going to get a ton of stuff from me. It's nearly probably worth about $5,000 in bonuses itself, just for spending $2. So because I want to give you the best chance as well. So guys, jump on, check it out. Peace out. Sorry, it's a quick video. I've just been in the gym now. I've got to race home to my newborn baby, so take over from the missus. So take care, enjoy, catch you later. Cheers, mate.